Hey there, this is Weber, your AI mentor, and you are watching AI FRS. Hey dear students, let's start our course vision. So, in simple language, we will understand what is our vision. So come on, so let's start with this point. So first thing is to introduce kids to AI in a fun, safe and creative way. This is our first part. Number two, helping them to understand, explore and apply AI concepts using simple activities where we are not going to use any code. This is our main vision. So let's learn our course objective. One by one, we have to understand our objectives. So you can see the first objective is to understand what AI means and where it is used. Number two is identify real life AI examples around them. Number three, understand the difference between human and machine intelligence. Number four, the experiment with simple AI tools that like voice recognition, image recognition and chatbots. Our next objective is to create a mini AI projects using a free, safe and no code platforms. That's very important thing. Next one is to learn the importance of ethical and responsible AI. So these are different objectives we have to study. So the next part is what we are going to study, right? So we have some modules. So this course has 10 modules. So let's learn one by one. Okay. So the next topic is the module wise syllabus, right? So our first module is what is AI? And in this module, our goal is to build basic understanding of AI. Number two is module number 2, right? So in module number 2, we will have to understand the AI in our daily life, right? So our goal is recognize AI in everyday surroundings. Module number 3. So module number 3 means where we learn how machines learn. So our goal is understand the concept of machine learning. Module number 4, AI eyes and ears. So in this module, our goal is to understand and explore how computers see and hear. Then in module number 5, the module number 5 name is AI and emotions. In this module, our goal is to understand natural language and emotion recognition. Right? Next one is module number 6. It is known as the AI in games and art, where our goal is to learn how AI creates, design the things. Next one is module 7. The module 7 is good and bad sides of AI. Our goal is to understand the awareness and responsibilities of AI, right? And module number 8, that is build your own AI project. So we have to build our project, right? So this will be the mini project. We have to apply all learned concepts in a final project, right? Okay. Next, module number 9 is AI around the world, where our goal is to broaden the perspective of AI applications globally. Okay. And in module number 10, that is a revision session where we have to revise all things.